Hi everyone, it's Heidi from Flutter by Heidi, and I'm Heidi Smith. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the United Kingdom, and today I thought we'd do some Make It in Minutes cards using the fabulous new Cute Fruit cards stamp set. Now this is a really fun stamp set and perfect for just sending a little hello, kind of, just a little thought, thinking of you type card using these fabulous fruity images, and because they're photopolymer they layer fantastically, so you can make cards like this. Very simple, wishing you a slice of happiness. You say a little smiley banana on the inside, and they're a great way to start card making and really make some really effective cards very quickly and easily. So I'm going to do our melon card, and then I thought I'd do one with the pineapples as well. So to start off, you're going to need your Cute Fruit stamp set, but what you can do is, if you're starting out, you may not have all of the ink colours that I'm going to use, and in fact Stampin' Up! Have just brought out a set of Stampin' Spots ready coloured. I already have some Stampin' Spots which I store in here, which you can see that what I do is you get the uninked ones, a re-inker, and ink it up. But obviously you then need to have the re-inkers as well. But they're now doing a set of 10 different Stampin' Spots in some gorgeous colours. No, 8 in the set. And they're Stampin' Spots assortment, and you've got basic grey, you've got Coastal Cabana, which is this lovely green here, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, so our super soft pink, Gorgeous Grape, lovely deep purple, Granny Apple Green, fabulous vibrant green, Real Red, and Shaded Spruce. And so they work really well with these fruity cards. So if you haven't yet got all of the inks and you want to try out some colours, it's a great way. And if you're managing to get away for a little break, or you're crafting in a small space, the Stampin' Spots are perfect for you. They're made with linen, you ink them up, you can re-ink them in exactly the same way as you would. And if you're not going to use them for a while, all I would say is it's worth popping a little bit of washi tape on the sides just to stop those drying out. So let's get started. As I said, photopolymer stamp set. So the first thing I'm going to suggest is that you get a Stampin' Pierce mat. This just helps get a really good image from the photopolymer without squashing the image. And I'm starting with the card base. You could use our note cards, which are already cut and scored, or make your own by cutting a piece of card halfway along the A4 at 14.5 centimetres, 5 3/4 inches, and then scoring at 10.5 centimetres or 4 1/8 to give you a card base. Now I'm going to first of all start off by doing our lovely watermelon card. So I'm using Shaded Spruce ink and I'm using Real Red. So just open those two up. And actually I'll just give you a little hint. When you're putting stamps like this on, which are a little bit stiff, you can see there, they do move about a bit. What I always do is put them face down, just nice and relaxed, onto my paper, and then put my block to the back of them. That way I know it's going to be the shape that was originally intended. So then tap, tap, tap to ink up your outer, and I'm going to come in just down and up, like so. Then I'm going to come in with my Real Red, again tap, 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 and then just hover over until you're happy with the placement. This is always slightly difficult because I have an overhead tripod, so I can't quite get overhead. But there we go. That little middle one is maybe a little bit further away than I'd have liked. And then I'm using one of the sentiments, wishing you a slice of happiness. And again, I'm just using that with our Real Red as well. If you get a bit of ink on the outside, I've just rocked my ink block. Just wipe that off with a dry cloth. And there we have a fabulous card, really quick and easy. Now, to do our pineapple cards, I'm going to use 2 other colours. Again, 2 of the colours that are in the Stampin' Spot assortment. And I'm using the lovely Granny Apple Green, a really bright, vibrant green, and Daffodil Delight, a fabulous one if you like any, if you want to do any flowers. It really is that beautiful daffodil yellow. So I'm just going to ink up my pineapple. And again, the same technique. So I'm just going to put one in this corner, one in this corner, and one in the middle. And then we can come in with our leaves just over the top there. And you'll see, all of a sudden, we're almost there. Then all we need to do is just add our sentiment. In fact, I've just done that in, I've inked that up in green. I think I'm actually, yellow. I'm actually going to ink that up in the green. I think it will stand out. So I'm just going to clean that using my chamois. You can see here, that just gets it really clean really quickly. And then, and just line that up. And then on the inside, I just thought I'd use the banana image for a bit of fun. There's our banana. Here's my smiley face. Again, using the green. So again, the same colours time after time. And there we have a fun image for the centre. So there you have a couple of cards made in minutes using cute fruit. And we have our fabulous pineapple, our fabulous watermelon using cute fruit. Quick, easy, made in minutes, and just a bit of fun, easy to pop in with a present. And coming up, I'm also going to be sharing with you how to make this cute little box too. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified when that video comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.